Have you ever wondered where money actually grows? Where people turn a few dollars into thousands or lose it all in seconds? That place exists. It's called the stock exchange. Now, before you think this is some complicated Wall Street thing for billionaires, let me stop you. The stock exchange is actually simple. Imagine a giant marketplace, like a super busy shopping mall. But instead of buying shoes or phones, people are buying pieces of companies, tiny shares of businesses like Apple, Tesla, or even small startups. Every time you buy a share, you become part owner of that company. Crazy, right? And every time the company grows, your money grows. But here's the twist. The stock exchange is like a heartbeat at Riz's. It falls, and it can be unpredictable. One moment, a stock is skyrocketing. The next, it crashes. That's why people call it both exciting and dangerous. But here's the secret most people don't know. You don't need to be rich to play this game. You just need to understand how it works and make smart moves. And that's exactly why you're watching this video, to start learning before you make costly mistakes. So remember, the stock exchange isn't magic. It's a marketplace. It's risk and it's opportunity, all at the same time. If anything I just said seems confusing, or if you want me to make a video showing how to safely start in the stock exchange, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below. I'll personally make sure you understand it. Don't just watch, learn, act, and grow your money the smart way.